In the meantime, let's get you the pictures that are now coming in of Union Home Minister. Before taking charge as the Home Minister, we can see Amit Shah. He's at the National Police Memorial in Delhi before he takes charge as the Union Home Minister. He's paying his tribute at the Police Memorial. Paying homage to the martyrs as far as when it comes to the National Police Memorial. We are looking at Union Minister Amit Shah. Of course, he will be taking charge of his office as Home Minister once again. Pragya, this is a big step. In fact, when it comes to the messaging that comes out as far as his dedication is concerned, of course, when it comes to the police force, Amit Shah shortly will be also taking charge as the Home Minister again.
You are absolutely right. He has reached Police Memorial. He has paid tribute to the martyrs. He's very sensitive towards the department as well. And he was a Home Minister in Modi 2.0, and he has retained that portfolio. He knows, the issues, the problems, and also the sacrifices that have been made by the police forces. And that is the reason why he had gone to Police Memorial in the morning. And soon he'll be reaching North Block, where he'll be taking charge as Home Minister again in Modi 3.0. We'll try and give you those visuals if permitted. We'll show you he with the officials of MHA taking charge, and then there is also his MOS who would be accompanying him. This is also is a process that he will start. In fact, there are so many things that his ministry has planned to do, and there are many things that he had done at the fag end of 2020 at Modi 2.0, at the fag end of 2023 administration. He will continue that. The 3 laws that he has amended, a lot of amendment had gone into that. Perfect implementation of that will be ensured. He has to ensure that he will take those laws that have been amended, be it the renaming of IPC, CRPC, and also Evidence Act. He will also be then going to take charge as Cooperative Ministry. Remember, he was also made Cooperative Minister in last term as well. It's a ministry that is very close to his heart, I would say, and he has taken it upon himself to ensure that he will rejig how cooperatives run, and he is the one who came up with the idea that there should be one separate cooperative ministry as well, as it's a very, very big sector that has been neglected in the past, and he has focused his energies also in this particular ministry. So we will see him taking charge as Home Minister and also as Minister of Cooperative department as well.
Right, but before taking charge, important messaging that is now going across is that Union Minister Amit Shah, of course, shortly he will be assuming office as the Home Minister again, and he's been also talking about the dedication that the police perform when it comes to fulfilling their responsibilities selflessly, Pragya, and which is also the result of the organized efforts that we have seen many difficult phases that the country has been facing, and coming out of that successfully, and the police, they are playing a big role.
Well, I would say, especially when he was MHA, there were many challenges that his ministry faced. And we had seen police personnel, whether it was COVID, whether it was CA protests, they were out on the road. In COVID, they helped in whatever way they could. In fact, we had personally known many police personnel who had run this blood and also platelet count center. They had helped people. They had helped people in securing food as well. So a lot of work 24/7. The sacrifices that are made by the police officers is not, lost on anyone. And this is probably the reason why he is sending out across to all the personnel under his ministry.
Right.
Just towing the line with Prime Minister.
So
also
remembering the sacrifices, paying tribute to the martyrs, and this is what Amit Shah began his day with as far as the Union Minister is concerned at the Police Memorial. Shortly after, he will be assuming charge as the Union Home Minister once again. Pragya, thank you very much. We are waiting those visuals as well. You're watching Times Now, back after a short break.